Hi there, my name is Priya and I'm from Bihar and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be a little different, a little interesting and honestly very important. Because many of you told me something again and again and I noticed that you guys told me that Priya, you speak English very well with so many expressions. Right? Right now? That I sound confident when I speak English. I don't sound robotic, right? Right? Uh-huh. Exactly. But trust me or not, I used to feel very nervous. But one thing that helped me, you already know, expressions. This helped me a lot. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can make natural expressions while speaking English so that you don't sound scared or nervous. Okay, so without wasting time, let's jump into the video. First of all, let me tell you something that English is not only about grammar, English is not only about vocabulary, but English is also about feeling. Yes, exactly, feeling. Because when you speak without expressions, it sounds like a machine, isn't it? For example, if I say, I'm very happy, and my face is like, does it look happy? No, never. But what if I say, I'm very happy today? I added expressions, right? And it sounds real, it feels real. Why? Just because of expressions. So, expressions are like the soul of your English because it make your English words alive. You know what I'm saying? So, feel the words, feel the sentence that you are speaking. Okay. Now, let me tell you the biggest mistake that many English learners do. They speak like, okay, hello, my name is Priya. I am from Bihar and I love English. No emotion, no energy, no correction. And you feel that, oh, I'm very nervous. I don't know if I'm saying it correct or not. I don't know about my grammar. I feel like my grammar is not good. English is not about grammar. English is not about vocabulary. I've told you this many times, right? But listen, my dear, you know what your real problem? You speak English. When you speak English, your face becomes serious. And you don't know why. Why? Because of no feeling, because of the confidence. And you know what? Confidence comes when you stop speaking English like a subject and start speaking English like a feeling. Like a feeling. See, what if I say, hello, my name is Priya and I'm from Bihar and I love English. See, don't you feel, the change? You don't feel that? Huh? Because I love making expressions. And please feel the sentence, feel the words. That's it. Now, the first step is feel the sentence before speaking. Don't just say words, don't just say the sentence. Feel what you want to say. Okay. Let me give you one example. Instead of saying I'm tired, no, don't say like this. Feel like say it like you mean it. Like, okay, say like this. Oh, I'm tired today. I'm tired today. Oh, I'm tired today. I'm feeling very tired. You see that? This is looking like real. Maybe some of you might be thinking that, oh, I'm overthinking. No, buddy, I'm not. I'm just adding emotion. I'm just adding feeling. That's it. And instead of saying that's good, say like, wow, that's actually really good. That's actually really cool. You see that? Second tip is use your face. Yes, use your face. You know what? Your face is your biggest communication tool. If you want to look happy or confident, smile a little. If you want to look confident, smile a little. Okay. If you want to, look too confusion, then just down your eyebrows. Like just make faces like that, make expressions like that. Okay. If you want to show surprise, that you are so surprised, open your eyes like this. Oh, sir, I'm so surprised. Just open your eyes. Okay. And this is not drama, this is natural communication. Even in Hindi, we do this. So start using it in English also. Do it in English also. Why? Why you're not using it? Simple, use it in English also, the way you use it, the way you make your expression while speaking Hindi or your regional language. Start doing it in English also while speaking English. You got this. Now, third tip is your expression is not only on your face, they are also in your tone, they are also in your voice. Same sentence but different tone. Just like, I can believe it. I can believe it. Whoa, I cannot believe it. You see that? Another one is, you did that. Wait, you did that? Wow, you did that? That's amazing. So practice tone, like practice sentence like this. Say sentence like you're talking to a friend, talking to your best friend, talking to a real people, talking to a real man or woman, anyone, okay? Not reading like a textbook. Your expressions should match your emotion. And English is not about speaking fast. Trust me, it's not about speaking. No, never. Your English sound real, must be sound real. Okay, you know what I'm saying? My honey. Okay, anyways. Step 4 is copy real people. Yes. Copy real people means stop reading books and stop reading newspapers, obviously. Start watching English contents. Okay, start watching English cartoons and notice that how they smile, how they speak, how they add expressions, how they make their English sound so confident. Start noticing them and please start doing shadowing. Please start doing it. Shadowing is the one of the amazing methods I've ever seen, and shadowing literally changed my life. I just love shadowing. I don't know why, but I love copying native speaker, and this is how I train myself. See, my voice, my tone. You can hear me. Like sometimes I do sound like a native speaker sometimes, but sometimes I don't. But I'm working on that. And yeah, you don't have to sound like a native speaker. You can speak like, an Indian speaker also. But I love American accent, so I follow that. And my accent is American plus Indian accent. Okay. Step 5 is practice with daily sentences. Please start practicing those kind of sentence that you can use in your daily conversation. Okay, just like, oh, honestly, I'm so excited about this. Wait, are you serious? That's actually really funny. I'm not sure. Let me think. Oh, that's so sweet of you. Oh no, that sounds so stressful. Wow, I didn't expect that. Okay. Start speaking these kind of sentence that you can use in your daily conversation. Okay. Don't just speak it, feel it. Say it like you mean it. Huh? So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you don't, please let me know in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching this video. You know, guys, what I was thinking that I won't record this video, but I really pushed myself that please, Priya, go record your video. Otherwise, you'll break your streak. That you guys already know that I post 3 long videos in a week, so I don't want to break that streak. So yeah, here I am. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.